Hello kids, today we'll write small alphabets, that is a small A to Z with their phonic sound. Let us start. A, or we write it as A, and the phonic sound is A. A. B, B, B. C, K, K. D, D, D. E, A, A. F, F. It's not, it's F, F. Just the sound of air. F. G, G, G. H, H, H. I, E, E. J, J, J. K, K, K. L, L, L. M, M, M. N, N, N. It's the sound of nest. When we say N, the first sound of N is N. That is N. O, O, O. P, P, P. Q, Q, Q. R, R, R. S, S, S. T, T, T. U, A, A. Now remember the sound of U is A. Umbrella, A. V, V, V. W, V, V. X, X, X. The sound of X is X, as in box, X, X. Y, Y, Y. And Z, Z, Z. Let's do it once again. We'll read the alphabets now, okay? A, B, A. Let's read it once again. A, B, B. Let's read them once again. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, V, X, Y, Z. These were our phonic sounds for the day. Thank you so much for watching.